Good day, everyone. I am Marvin Villa.
And I am Julian Grafe.
And I am Kizzy Agin.
In this video, we're going to discuss an example of a real-life multidimensional array.
So the example that we are going to use is a color image in digital photography.
So in this discussion, we're going to use a RGB pixel images model.
So in digital photography and computer graphics, images are composed of tiny dots called pixels. Each pixel is assigned a color, and these colors combine to create the image we see on our screens today. In the RGB color model, each color is represented by three components: red, green, and blue. These components are typically stored as values ranging from 0 to 255, where 0 represents no intensity and 255 represents full intensity for each color. Multidimensional arrays are essential in information technology and computer science and programming, as they allow us to work with data in a structured way. In the case of images, they are particularly useful for representing the color information of each pixel. So in addition to RGB, there are other color models used in image, such as CMYK, also called as cyan, magenta, yellow, and key black, and HSL, so also called as hue, saturation, and lightness, and many more. Each of these models represents colors differently and may use a different number of channels in their multidimensional arrays. So for example, in the CMYK color model used in printing, a pixel is represented by 4 values: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. This results in a 4-dimensional array for image.
Now, imagine you have a simple 2x2 pixel image like this. Here, each row represents a row of pixels, and within each row, you have a 2 pixels, each with its RGB colors values. So the first pixel is pure red, 255 for red, 0 for green, 0 for blue. And second pixel is pure green, 0 for red, 255 for green, and 0 for blue. And the third pixel is pure blue, 0 for red, 0 for green, and 255 for blue. And the fourth pixel is a shade of gray, 228 for red, green, and blue.
You can represent this image as multidimensional array where the dimensions are height, width, and the 3 color channels, which is an RGB. In this 3D array, the first dimension, height, represents the rows of pixels. The second dimension, width, represents the column of pixels. And the third dimension represents the RGB color channels. Moreover, the concept of multidimensional arrays extend beyond just colors in images. It's widely used in various fields, including scientific data analysis, where 2D arrays might represent temperature measurements over the time and depth, or 3D arrays could represent MRI scans with X, Y, and Z dimensions. And that's all. We hope that you guys learned something about our discussion.
Thank you for watching.